So growing up in Alabama in the 1970s, yoga teacher was the obvious career path. Well, no. Anybody felt disappointment in what your body can do? To being excited and how you can do that too. Let me show you. Spread your fingers out wide. Get to where you feel. I started asking myself, how can I reactivate these muscles? And that's when I noticed something surprising. Try a breath here. Breathe in all the way until you feel where your ribs are tight. Hold there for a second. Now pull your stomach all the way back. Pull it all the way up. Did you feel a little bit of abdominal muscle activity through your rib cage tightness? Yes. Everything changed. My tightness is loosened, my weakness is strengthened, and my aches and pains faded away. And there came naturally the flexibility, the strength, and the pain relief that I'd been chasing all along without struggle. Try a shoulder hunch. Stretch your shoulders so far forward that you feel where your upper back is tight. Now take a breath there. Those feelings are your brain learning. Now imagine doing that for your low back and your hips and your hamstrings and your abdominals muscles everywhere. So that's how I went from tight, weak, in pain, and disappointed to flexible, strong, pain-free, and excited. And how you can too. When you learn how to ask it, your body will lead the way.